Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to block your MTN line instantly if your phone gets lost or stolen in order to protect your SIM credential and important information that is attached to your MTN line. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is head over to your dialer on your phone. After you open up your dialer, dial *123 *7# and hit on send on your MTN line. And this is going to pop up right here. What you want to do right here is to click on here and select number 4, hit on send. The next thing you want to do right here is to enter the MTN line that was lost or got stolen. So it's going to take you right here. Here, what you need to do is to make sure you enter the MTN line that got lost or stolen. Enter the number right here. You can see the example right here. Once you enter the number, click on send. After you click on send, you'll be asked to enter your PIN, your MTN PIN, to confirm that you want to block the SIM. What you need to do is to enter your 4-digit PIN. If you have not created an MTN PIN before, the PIN is the same thing that you use for MTN MTN airtime transfer. If you have not created a PIN before, what you need to do is to simply create a PIN. And if you don't know how to create a PIN, kindly check the description of this video and watch the video step by step on how to create a PIN. After you have successfully created a PIN, you can come back right here. So you can simply come back right here, enter the phone number of the SIM that got stolen or lost. Once you enter the number, click on send and enter the PIN, and the SIM will be blocked successful. It's that simple. If you still have any question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.